off, okay? A little bit. Okay, now start to straighten it up. Okay? There we go. Alright. Now we got it. You want to do this? You want to run the backhoe? Bring this one in. See that? You pull that in. Good? That's good. Back out a little bit. Now I want to let this down. So push forward on that one. Other forward. There you go. A little more. I got to get this pin in. Real easy. Now I got to plug this. There. Now. There we go. Alright. Now pick this one up. Got it? No. You gotta pull back. You gotta fix that up. Now pull back. A little more. A little more. Good. And go forward just a little bit. Good one. Alright. Now we're gonna go back until it stops. Okay, now I want to curl the bucket in. So what you do, no, hang on. You pull sideways on this. See the bucket comes in. No? Yeah. Go sideways. There we go. A little more until it stops. Okay? Now you pull it all the way